Luna was a small, colorful hot air balloon who rested in a wide green field near a quiet village. Every morning she watched birds fly high in the sky and wondered what it felt like to rise gently above everything. Luna dreamed of flying up, but the sky seemed big and endless. She felt excited, but also unsure if she could rise safely without fear or rushing. One calm morning, Luna's basket was prepared, and the ropes were checked carefully. Instead of thinking about how high she needed to go, Luna focused on the first gentle lift. She reminded herself that rising slowly would help her stay balanced and calm. This thought made her feel steady and ready to begin. As warm air filled her balloon, Luna lifted slightly from the ground. She did not rush. She stayed still for a moment and felt the gentle movement. Rising a little made her feel proud. The sky did not feel scary anymore. It felt welcoming and soft. Luna continued rising slowly. She could see the field becoming smaller below her. Houses and trees looked peaceful. Luna stayed calm and focused on staying steady. Moving step by step helped her enjoy the moment instead of worrying about how high she would go. As Luna floated higher, a soft breeze moved her gently. She adjusted her position and stayed balanced. Trusting the process helped her feel safe. Rising slowly made the journey feel smooth and controlled. Halfway into the sky, Luna paused and hovered quietly. She looked down and noticed how far she had already come. What once felt impossible now felt achievable. Luna felt proud and confident. Luna continued rising at a calm pace. The air felt cool and peaceful. She noticed clouds nearby and felt happy sharing the sky with them. Each gentle rise made her feel more comfortable. As the sun moved higher, Luna felt relaxed and steady. She realized that taking her time helped her stay safe and enjoy the view. The sky felt friendly and calm. Soon, Luna reached the height she had planned. She did not feel rushed or tired. Rising step by step helped her reach her goal without fear. Luna floated peacefully and enjoyed the quiet sky. She felt proud of her journey and grateful for moving slowly and carefully. As Luna prepared to come down, she reflected on what she had learned. Staying calm and patient helped her rise safely and confidently. Luna learned that when you move step by step and trust the process, even the biggest dreams can rise gently and safely.